Hi, it's Gina with WTI. Do you like to curl up in the evening with a nice strong cup of tea, but don't want the caffeine that comes from a good cup of black tea? Well, I've been having this Teeccino Dandelion red chai tea at night, and it absolutely satisfies that craving that I have for a nice strong cup of black tea. It is very aromatic. It has some tones of ginger and cardamom and other spices, but isn't overpowering. I like to make mine with some cream and a sweetener, and it really helps to bring out the flavor. Dandelion has been known to have some good health benefits as well. It helps to cleanse your liver. So even though it tastes really good, you're actually getting some kind of cool benefits from it as well. I definitely recommend having some Teeccino Dandelion red chai at night. Although you can have it at any time during the day, I just prefer to have it at night so I can have that nice taste without any of the caffeine. But that's just my point of view.